just 3 or 4 transformations what happened in my life. Yes, I can tell. One thing is, I decided myself until last minute of my life, every day at least 15 minutes compulsory I have to take the session. I promised myself just by referring that IKG series. Yes, friends, the people who are continuing from that, multiple times I told that. So just every day, no Sunday, no Monday, no holiday, either in Hyderabad or outside of Hyderabad, outside on trip, anywhere, at least 15 minutes compulsory session will be there. Okay, maybe at 7 o'clock morning India time, not possible because of my situation. Okay, at second point, okay, either afternoon or evening, yes, I will take that, take minimum 15 minutes, at least the revision session I will take, believe me, sir. So if you want, you can remember this point. Until completing your Ikigai series, until completing this Atomic Habits series, you never going to get single day holiday also. Warning kind of thing for you people. Okay, it will be continued forever. Okay, good to great. Anyone got at least one day holiday? Anyone? The people who attended good to great, have you saw at least one day holiday? Okay, you may
No,
took
sir.
holiday, but I didn't. You
Yes.
may took, but I didn't. Okay, remember. So every day session is going to be happen. The promise I did. Okay, the promise I did because of Ikigai series. Really, friends. So that's, it's a life-changing decision for me, I'm sure. Okay. Next and after that, physical, more happiness, more joyfulness, more fun must be there for our life. Okay, more happiness, more fun, more happiness, more fun. Okay, must be there for our life. Okay, now only pressure, only work, only work, only pressure. Next and after that, running, no relaxed life. Such type of things should not be there. So those things are going to kill your lifespan.